When you open an architectural template in Revit, you will already be given these two levels here. So the levels that you add in the software itself, they will help you a lot in terms of the walls, the flooring, and everything else. You can constrain the walls to the levels, and then even if you change the level height, all of the walls will change automatically, and so on. So as we said, usually we have two levels, and if you want to add more levels, you can from datum here. So next to grid, you will find level, or you can press LL on the keyboard. But you cannot activate this level command from the top view or from the plans. You have to go to the elevations. So in the east elevation, for example, in the east elevation, you will see here that we have two levels. Okay, so on this level, let me just go here to level 1. You see that it starts from 0. We have this mark here, and also we have text similar to the ones that we have in the grid. So you can hide the bubble if you want to. You can put it here, and you can add it on the other side as well if you want to. When you select any level, again, you will have these types here. Here you have only one type, but you can download more. You can edit the type itself. So by clicking on it, you can change the base unit, the line weight if you want to change it, the type of line. Instead of center, you can go to dash, dash dot, or any other type that we have here. So for example, if I change it to dash and click on apply, you will see that it will change this way. If you want to go back, again, you can select the line and then click on apply. And this you can do as well for the grid lines. Here are the symbols at the end for default one, for end 1 and end 2. So these are the default. So if I click on apply, it will show me here. I can remove them from here and then click on apply. So this is the type, and you can change inside the type whatever you want to change. Even for the symbol itself, if you want to change it from circle to no bubble, you can do that. You can download more even later on. So if I change the type here to no bubble, it will only remove the bubble. But if I remove it totally, it will remove even the text and the number that we have. So what I do usually, I just keep it this way, and then I can choose from here if I want a symbol or not. So click on apply and then OK. So now we have level 1, level 2. If you want to rename these levels, you can change them. You will see that when you rename them, they will appear here as well. So let's say that this is the ground line or ground level or ground floor, whatever you want. Okay, so it will ask you if you want to rename the corresponding views. So I'll click on yes, and it will rename it here. So you can see that now it says ground level. So let me, for example, change this one. Sorry, let me just go back. Double click on the text and then type first floor, for example. Enter. You can select do not show this message again, so it will not show you this message again. Otherwise, you can every time select yes. Okay, you will see here that the order will change according to the alphabetical order. So it will be in the alphabetical order. It will not be in the order of the levels here. Okay, so this is the ground floor. This is the first floor. You can change the height for each one from here. So for example, I will change this one to 5,000. So it will give me 5,000. I can change it to 3,000. And it will change accordingly. You can either change it from here or from here. The difference between these two are, let me just add another level and we will see. So to add another level, I'll go to architecture and then level, and then from here I'll go up and add this level. Again, don't forget that when you're adding, when you start and when you end, you have these snap lines, so everything will be constrained, or they will all start at the same place. So for level 3, I'll change that to, for example, second floor. Click on enter. Now it didn't ask me because I ticked do not ask me this question again. So now it's second floor. It changed automatically and it changed here as well. Now for this number, it is the total from 0 to here. So if I change this, for example, to 7,000, it will give me 4,000 and then 3,000. So if you already know the heights, let's say for this one I want 4,000, I'll just change it from here. For the second one, I can change again to 4,000, and it will give me the total here. So you can either put the total, otherwise you can specify it from here for each one separately, and it will calculate the total automatically. Okay, let me just select these and move them all up. Okay, so now we have these levels. We can add more levels. For example, let's say if I want to add another level under the ground, I can start from here. Now I can see these snap lines, and then I'll take it again to here. You will see that whatever is under the ground will be considered as minus 1,000, for example, 600. So I can put it as minus 450. Okay, so this is something that you can decide. Okay, so again, you can add the levels according to what you want, depending on how you are working. So I'll just delete this one. So when I deleted this level, it asked me that it's telling me that the floor plan, the ceiling plan, and the structural plan for level 4, which are the views that are here already, they will be deleted as well. So I just said okay, and they are deleted from here. Okay, so this is basically what you need to do for levels. We will add the levels, modify them, change the level properties. One more thing is when you add a level here, let me just get the bubble again so I can show you some of the things. So I'll select the levels, edit type, and I'll select this circle again. Okay, so you'll see that these 3 circles are in blue. If I go here to this, for example, the second floor, and delete this view, and I will delete it as well from here, and even the structural plan. Okay, I will delete this one. So you can see now that I don't have anything that is any view regarding the second floor. It's only for the ground and for the first floor. You will see here that this floor is already there. It's not deleted, but it's inactive. Okay, the color changed to black. This means that this floor is inactive. So to activate this floor again, okay, it will be working correctly. There will be no issues with the file. But if you want to activate it again, you have to come here to the view, and then plan views, and then select floor plan. When you click on floor plan, it will show you all the inactive plans that you don't have here in the project browser. So if you want to duplicate one of the existing ones, you can just remove the tick from here and select it. It will be duplicated here. Otherwise, just select do not duplicate existing views, and it will give you all the inactive floors. So I will select second floor. Okay, now it's added here. Okay, so if I want to add a ceiling plan, again, I will do the same thing. I will go to plan view, and then reflected ceiling plan, and select second floor. So I can see it here. Okay, so if I go now to the elevation itself, you will see that now it's active again. So that's it for the levels. Again, it's similar to the plan. It's similar to the grid. You can remove the lock from here. You can open this lock to remove the constraints, so you can move each one separately if you want to. Otherwise, you can just drag it back until you get this line again, and it will be locked again.